Hi there, Nigel Major here. This is a quick demo of Auto-Parrot, which is an AI automation chatbot, which is built to help you automate your daily routine, as well as make quick automations and helping you become much more productive. So I'm just gonna jump in and quickly show you what this app is about. So I've given a prompt to remind me in 2 days after 8 to pay a bill, as well as to say it out loud and open the Gov website. So now if I look in my trigger manager here, I've got a reminder which will wait for a certain event. In this case, it will be the time and the date. Then it will basically say out loud to pay the bill as well as open the website. So good to know that setup works. So now I'm going to just quickly ask it to help me set up a daily routine. So now what it's done is it's asked me to enter information about what's in my day. So I give it information about what's in my day, as well as ask it to help me with my communication, as well as improving my health overall. So now here it has suggested a routine and filled up the different times with different things. So now what we need to do is basically, because we want it to become a trigger, we want them to become events that pop up to prompt the user to do something, to say something out loud, to just basically have that there. So what we're going to do is say use the suggested routine to create triggers, and shortly what we're gonna see is this trigger manager should fill up with a full daily routine that the AI chatbot is going to create for us. Well, it's already created the routine, so now it's going to basically create the events. In this case, those events are going to be time, so specific times of the day. As we can see, it's done that. So at 6 it will say wake up, time to start the day, 6:15 time for exercise, etc, etc. And what you see is that it's actually filled up my whole day with a full routine, and that is great. So let's say I'm coming into a routine where I need to take medication at certain times of the day, but also maybe I needed to say something uplifting when it reminds me to take my medication. So now what we're going to see is that it's created 2 triggers, one for 9 o'clock in the morning, and it basically has the information that I asked, and it uplifts me. And then it's got the other trigger at 9 p.m, which is exactly what I've asked. But now all these triggers are set in the future, so I wouldn't be able to show you guys those in action right now. But however, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something that actually shows something in action in a few seconds. So what I'm going to do is say open the Samsung Health app in 30 seconds, and then out loud explain to me how it works and how to use it. So I give it that prompt there, and so since this is going to take 30 seconds, basically, we can see here it's created the code, and it's created whatever needs to get what I've asked to happen. And so right now it's counting down to that 30 seconds. What I could go ahead and do is probably experiment with a few other things and say maybe in 30 seconds in 30 seconds. Should we say in 30 seconds? Yeah. Start counting down. Oh yeah.
Samsung Health is a fitness tracking app that allows you to track your daily activity, sleep, and nutrition. You can also use it to set fitness goals and track your progress.
Yeah. So as you can see, that works, and that is perfect.